We're on our last video. So solving systems using substitution, exactly the same as what you just saw, but there's one extra step. So the first step this time is going to be isolate a variable. Okay, so after we've isolated the variable, then we plug in to solve for x. Okay, then after we plugged in to solve for x, we're going to plug x in to solve for y. So essentially the same thing. Let's see what this looks like. So first thing I notice is that which equation should I isolate a variable? Well, I notice I have a y that's right here that doesn't have a coefficient. So this is the one I want to do because it's going to be a lot easier. I'm going to rewrite this over here. 3x plus y equals 5. One simple step, okay, to get y by itself. We're going to subtract 3x to both sides. Okay, those cancel out, and you end up with this equation, y equals 5 minus 3x. Those are not like terms, they don't combine. Now that you have these two equations, you're going to go to second step, plug in to solve for x. What does that mean? Well, it literally means I'm going to take this and plug it in for y. Okay, so we're going to write this out. 5x plus 10 times 5 minus 3x. So instead of y right here, we're putting parentheses and we're just putting this in for y equals 0. I'm going to solve this first by distributing. Okay, don't forget your distribution. You got to simplify first. So 10 times 5 is 50. 10 times negative 3x is negative 30x. Bring down your 5x. Okay, bring down your equals 0. Now you combine like terms. You have negative 30x, 5x. 5x minus 30x is negative 25x. We still have our plus 50 equals 0. Okay, I need to get rid of that 50. I'm trying to get x by itself, so I'm going to subtract 50 from both sides. Okay, those cancel out. What I end up with is negative 25x equals negative 50. And you're going to divide by negative 25. Divide by negative 25. Okay, those cancel out. Negative 50 divided by negative 25. You can use a calculator for that. That's fine. X equals 2. Okay, now we've done the second step. So we got our first part. You're going to go to that third step where you're going to take this and plug it into the equation that you isolated. Okay, that's going to be the easiest way to do that. So you end up with y equals 5 minus 3 times 2. Well, 3 times 2 is 6, so it's really 5 minus 6. Well, 5 minus 6 is negative 1. There you go. You have your x and your y. You can go ahead and write your answer. The answer would be 2, negative 1.